Hey, if you're a beginner looking to get in shape, then check out this workout. Hey, it's Coach Becky here. And if you're a beginner looking to work out, I have some moves that you're gonna love because we're gonna do them outdoors so you can get some fresh air while you're getting in your workout. Now, these are gonna be very beginner, very basic level exercises. But as you progress, we're gonna wanna add some resistance to those exercises. And that's why I love mini bands just like this, because as you get used to these moves, we wanna add on, and mini bands are a great way to do that. So check out that pinned comment down below because we've put together a whole mini band program that you can do right at home. So check that out, get a free set of mini bands. All right, we're gonna head outside so I can show you these moves. All right, first up we have a split lunge. I love this move for beginners because it doesn't take as much balance as a regular lunge. So we're gonna split those legs, keep them planted. From there, we're just gonna lower that back knee slowly towards the ground. Now you go as far as whatever feels comfortable for you. So if it's not as far as me, that's totally okay. This is a great move to work those legs. All right, from there we want to make sure to switch it up. We've got to do both sides. So let's switch that front leg, put the other leg back behind us, engage through that core, keeping that upper body nice and tall. And same thing here, we're going to focus on driving that back knee down towards the floor and then rising up nice and tall through this move. All right, next up is a squat. This is also a great move for your legs and one you can do anywhere, and it's a great move because you're actually squatting all day long in and out of your chair. So let's go ahead and get those feet planted on the floor about shoulder width apart. Let's sit down like you're sitting into a chair, sit those hips back, drop down again as low as you can that feels comfortable for you. So if it hurts your knees or something, just don't go as low. From there, we wanna rise back up, standing nice and tall, actually squeezing those glutes in the back to get a little extra glute work as well. From there, we're gonna work the core and that balance with a side standing crunch, okay? So we're gonna take our hands up, and from there, I want you to lift your knee and take your elbow like you're crunching over to the side. Bring those together. If they don't touch, that's okay. Just bring them as close together as you can. From there, we're gonna stand back up, take it to the other side, bending the other way, really focusing on squeezing through that side, squeezing through that oblique. So not only are you working your balance, but you're really working that tummy and that core at the same time. From there, we're just gonna keep alternating from one side right to the other side. All right, so these moves are a great way to get started to enjoy the sunshine and not have to use any equipment. But these will get easy fast. We wanna make sure we're taking it up a notch to really shape and tone that body and work with some resistance. So make sure you check out that mini band program because these are a great way. You can take these outside with you. So if you scroll down, check out that pinned comment down below to check out our mini band program and get a free set of these mini bands that you can use. All right, thanks for watching. I can't wait to see you next time.